What is up, everybody? My name is Josh, and today in this video, we're going to go over how to basically enable and disable the Stripe automatic Afterpay, Klarna, Amazon Pay, Cash App Pay options, right? So, you might be right now inside your HighLevel account, right? And you just connected your payment processor. So if you go over here to payments, click on integrations, and you came over here, you saw a video, or you just saw Stripe and said, I'm going to connect my Stripe account. You connected it, right? And then you might already have an order form that is live. Like, for example, this is one of mine right here. And in this order form, I'm selling a few products, and I also have my Stripe connected. So when someone selects my products, you're gonna see here the total, and then also here you're gonna have all the options for them to pay, right? If they're just putting in their credit card or using an option like Afterpay, Amazon Pay, Klarna, etc. Now, the one thing that I have noticed is sometimes this is just too many things going on, and I just want to have credit card available. I want to delete everything else, or if I know my people are needing Afterpay but not Klarna, or I just want to use Klarna, then I want to just cut out all the clutter here and just stick to what I need or want, right? Maybe I don't even want the link access here in that sense. So this is how you do it. So mainly what you're going to do is you're going to go back over here to your payment side. Right? Click on payments on the left-hand side. Make sure you're on your sub-account level, right? So you're inside a sub-account, click on payments. Then after that, top right where it says integrations, click on that. And then this is mainly for Stripe users, right? This is going to be a little bit different in regards to every other payment processor, but this is strictly for people who just wanting to disable Afterpay or Klarna or those other options in the order forms. This is how you do it. So you click on Manage on the right-hand side. Once you're here, you're going to click on the top right where it says Manage Payments. And then here you're going to have a live mode and a test mode. What I want you to do is, for example, if you're, this is mainly important for live mode, number one. So make sure it's on live mode. And then you're going to be able to select for what type of product forms, right? Or they call it product areas. So it can be, what are the settings that you want for invoices? What are the settings you want for payment links? What are the settings you want for one-step order forms, two-step order forms? You guys are normally going to be in these two right here, which is one-step order forms or two-step. This is a one-step order form, right? As you can see right here, it's on one page, one form, or one step. I'm going to click on that. And then once it loads up here, you're going to actually be able to disable anything that you don't want to use, right? So the card is probably the most popular one, of course, because that's where they can put in their debit or credit card. But then after that, you don't really need to, have all of this in your, in your order form, right? So as you can see, I have all of them right now. But let's say I don't really care about, Amazon Pay, and I don't care about Apple Pay or Cash App Pay. I don't want Google Pay. I don't want, I just want to keep on Link because Link is very, very popular. And I don't want any of these financing options just because I have low ticket products and I don't want people financing $27, right? There's no need. So I can do stuff like that. And once I do that, right, I disable it, it's going to automatically save that for one-step order forms. And then when I click over here to refresh it, you're going to see that these items now just have what I have selected in there, right? So I just have the credit card and I have the link, which is what I wanted, okay? So that is how you disable. And the same way you disable it, you can enable it, right? So I click on manage payment methods and I can enable whatever I do want, right? So for example, if I did want, let's say Afterpay and Afterpay only, I would wait until this loads here really quick. And then I would go to Afterpay. I will click on Afterpay, right? And then when I reload my actual sales page, you're going to see that I have the credit card option and I also have the Afterpay option, right? Boom. So card or Afterpay. So this is one way where you can basically declutter that order form section, so you don't have to do all the options. You can actually pick and choose what you want to use on your order forms. The cool thing about this is that you can have one set of settings here for one-step order forms. And let's say if you have a two-step order form and you want to have more options, you can have all of them enabled, so they can have different settings for different types of product areas, like one-step or two-step or forms or payment links or invoices. So that's very, very cool. And it's all done with inside HighLevel, which is even better. So you don't have to actually, like at the old days, you would have to go into Stripe and then do all this. You can do it simply in here inside your HighLevel account by clicking on the Manage Payment Methods on the top right. And this is only for Stripe. Okay, guys, if you do have any other questions in regards to HighLevel, put them down below in the comments. If you like videos like this where it's short, to the point, and super simple to understand, click down that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of HighLevel tutorials here for you guys, so stay tuned to what is to come. All right, have a great day, and we'll see each other on the next video.